Are we in for an interview?
Not yet.
No? Not up for an interview?
No.
What you can do?
Good night.
I'm not even sure that was our intent, but I'll say it was.
Look how perfect that is for government work. On 1, 2, up. Or is it 1, 2, 3 up? Okay.
Whoa, you're ready, aren't you? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hangs up on the guard. That's why most of the. Are you recording? That's why most of the Hispanic.
Here we go.
Oh, you want me all the way around here?
Yeah. And I'll come back and walk you up with me. Walk it up with me. Okay? Okay? It's my brain knowing that that's the case. Looks good to me.
Gladys, I think our neighbors are having some construction monkeys do some work next door.
Yeah, that middle section.
Say hi. Wave. Wave, Billy.
What time is it? It's about 6, what is it, 6 a.m.?
Mm-hmm. 5:30, I think.
We need a little hole work, I'm afraid. Damn it.
Yeah, I just don't, we were.
Hole work.
Come on, Bobby.
So it's going to need some hole work, Bob.
Gladys, I don't think those construction monkeys are your ordinary run-of-the-mill construction monkeys.
It's a nice and temperate, what do you say, about 87?
I think so.
8 a.m., 8:30, something like that?
It's about miserable, isn't it? So it says 24 3/4, which means if it went down a 1/4 inch, it'd be 25.
Yeah.
So 25 is our finish. Okay, so that's 25 3/8, which accounts for the.
Gladys, I think those construction monkeys are drinking beer on the job.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
We spill some water over here, fellas?
Oh, woke me up this morning. Y'all need to quiet this stuff down.
Oh, you shut up, you old bitch. Get out of here.
Howdy ho! Where did this board go?
Gladys, I think the crippled monkeys is stealing some kind of material from the construction site.
No, we came down a little.
That's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, we'll scoot it up when we put in the real piece.
Okay. Here. He's fishing for shad.
What you got?
Fish.
Well, what kind?
Well, looks like a
Little old white bass. Cool. I like this kind of observing. Bill, why don't you just leave your rods here?
John, if you could do one thing in your life and knew you couldn't fail, what would it be?
Save the planet.
From what?
Famine. Death. Destruction. People like you.
Is that clear as mud?
Mm-hmm.